If you open a new tab in Microsoft Edge and see the MSN newsfeed every time, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to block MSN news and clean up your new tab page in just a few clicks. This is a simple fix that can make Edge feel much faster, much cleaner, and far less distracting, especially if you just want a blank space when you open a new tab. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and press Ctrl+T to open a brand new tab. You'll notice that the default page usually shows a full MSN newsfeed, along with articles, cards, headlines, and other content below the search bar. At the top right corner of that new tab page, look for the gear icon. This is the page settings button, and it controls how your new tab page looks. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. Once the page settings menu appears, scroll down until you find the content drop-down menu. This is the section that controls whether news and content are shown on the page. Click the drop-down and change the setting to Show Content to Off. As soon as you select that option, the page will instantly clean up and the news grid will disappear. This is the key step that blocks MSN news from appearing on your Edge new tab page. You do not need to install anything, change browser extensions, or adjust complicated settings. It's just a built-in option inside Edge. After you turn content off, open another new tab to make sure the change worked. You should now see a much cleaner page without the MSN newsfeed taking over the screen. If you ever want the news back, you can always return to the same gear icon and turn content on again. But if your goal is to block MSN news, setting content to off is the fastest and easiest method. This is especially useful if you use Edge for work, school, or everyday browsing and want less clutter every time you launch a new tab. So to quickly recap, open a new tab, click the gear icon, find the content setting, and switch it to off. That's all it takes to remove the MSN newsfeed from the Edge new tab page. If this video saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more helpful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.